Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel all BLK subscription. Okay, so basically all BLK TV subscription cancellation is very easy. You just need to identify where you have purchased your subscription. If you have purchased your subscription on their official website, in that case what you have to do, you need to open your browser. You need to sign in into your ALLBLK TV device, and you need to, once you logged in, you need to click on my stuff, okay, in the top right hand corner. Okay, and once you select on my stuff, you need to select manage account option and from the drop down menu, and you can cancel your subscription directly on their website also. Okay, and if you have taken your ALLBLK subscription on your Android device or by using your Android app, so in that case you need to open your Play Store and you need to tap on your profile icon. You need to select payment and subscription. You need to select subscription, then you need to select your app, ALLBLK app, and you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you have taken your subscription on iPhone, in that case what you have to do, you need to open your iPhone settings app and you need to tap on your Apple ID. You need to select subscription, then you need to select ALLBLK app, and then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. So these three methods are very easy to cancel your subscription, but it depends on person to person where they have originally purchased. If you have purchased your subscription on Amazon.com or Amazon Prime or anywhere else, you need to cancel your subscription on the platform where you have originally purchased. Okay, so now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.